The purpose of this video is to familiarize you with how PhysioEx activities are organized. PhysioEx activities contain a few sections that are represented by tabs at the top of the page. The overview is a document that will give you some background information on the body system. Read over the objectives, then move on to the introduction. The introduction is going to provide some information that will allow you to more easily answer the pre-lab quiz questions. After you answer a pre-lab quiz question, you can check your answer, but you're unable to change your answer. You can move through the questions using the arrows at the bottom of the screen. Once you finish answering all of the questions, click on Submit. All of the answers that you provide in an activity are being collected and will become part of a lab report when you're done with the activity. Once you submit your answers to the pre-lab quiz questions, you're ready for the experiment. At various points during an experiment, you'll encounter questions. Stop and think questions will allow you to check your answer. You can either submit your answer, or if you click on Undo, you get the chance to repeat the previous step and the question. Predict questions are submitted without checking your answer. After completing the experiment, you'll move on to the post-lab quiz. It consists of a series of questions that you should answer, then submit them to the lab report. The review sheet has some essay questions you can use to review later. We're going to skip that for now and move on to the lab report. So I clicked on the lab report tab, and you can see that all of our answers were recorded here, and our experimental data and our graphs are all recorded in the lab report. So it looks good. We want to submit this to our instructor, so let's save it as a PDF. And so automatically it's naming it to identify the experiment, but I'm going to add my last name to this so my instructor knows who I am. And I want to make sure I know where I'm saving this. Save it to Documents. My documents are the desktop, so that you can open up your email and attach that document and send it to your instructor.